Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some ground beef and potatoes in the slow cooker. So let's get crocking. This is going to be real simple. I have 3 russet potatoes here, and I have half a pound of 90% lean, 10% fat ground beef. I used half of it yesterday just to try this out, and it worked out good, so I figured it was video worthy. So then I'm just going to season it with some salt and Johnny seasoned pepper. So let me get those potatoes cut up and we'll get everything into the slow cooker. My potatoes are all cut up, and I cut them pretty thin because I think they cook a little faster, so we'll get them in there. I'm not adding any liquid, and I'll add the ground beef. I tried to break it up. It kind of tends to clump together in the slow cooker a bit, so let's try to break it up the best I can. Like I said, this is 90% lean, 10% fat, so it won't be so greasy. I guess you could use regular, like 80-20 or something if you wanted, but it's going to be greasier if you don't, because you're not going to be draining the fat out. So, and this is half a pound of ground beef. Normally I'd probably use like a whole pound, but like I said, I used some of it yesterday to try this out. Now I'm just going to season this with some kosher salt and some Johnny's seasoned pepper. I use this all the time. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. Alright, that looks good. Now we'll get the lid on there. And I'm going to cook this on high. And I'll let you guys know how long it takes. It's been about 2 hours, actually 2.5. Time flies. Let's take a look here. That looks pretty good. Potatoes are nice and soft. Even the beef browned up pretty nicely. Let's get some out of there and try it out. Well, there we are. It's nothing fancy, but actually everything browned up pretty good. Got some veggies from my garden here. This would actually be good with some eggs, I bet, too. Put a little ketchup on top here. And we'll try it out here. All the the juice from the meat kind of cooks into the potatoes. So we'll try to get a little bite of both here. Okay, come on, get on there. Turned out pretty good. The potatoes are tender and the ground beef browned up pretty nicely. Nothing fancy, but it's pretty good. You guys could probably hear Annie tap dancing over here. You know she's gonna like this one. So that was about 2.5 hours on high, so 2 to 2.5 hours. I haven't tried it on low, so I don't know how it would work. I don't know if the ground beef would brown up as well on low, like I said, so I haven't tried it. But anyway, it's a good lazy man's meal. Keep you guys out of the drive-thrus. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.